This is a modern Coca-Cola manufacturing factory, where millions of bottles are produced every single day. The process begins with highly purified water, which passes through multiple filtration stages to ensure maximum safety and quality. Next, sugar and the special flavor concentrate are carefully mixed inside large stainless steel tanks. This mixture is then carbonated with carbon dioxide, creating the refreshing bubbles that make Coca-Cola unique. Meanwhile, empty bottles move through high-speed washing and sterilization machines, ensuring they are perfectly clean before the filling process begins. On the automated filling line, each bottle is filled with precise accuracy in just a fraction of a second. Robotic systems seal the caps tightly and apply the iconic Coca-Cola labels. Every bottle then goes through strict quality control inspections using advanced sensors and human supervision. Only approved bottles move forward for packaging. Finally, the finished products are packed, stored in large warehouses, and shipped to destinations around the world, delivering the taste of Coca-Cola everywhere.